$30 for 4 wheels.
Yeah.
That he gonna goddamn block the damn entrance, and we ain't gonna be able to leave. He crazy as hell. I'm $30 a fucking car.
Now listen.
Then you gotta pay to look at titties and ass in there.
Power trip in there.
He actually blocking off the exit, so we gotta go. Kick this out again. There we go. Young legend right there, boy. Nigga pulled up on me all quick and shit.
Came out of nowhere.
Out of nowhere. Young legend. Yeah. Yeah. Got the whole city behind us. City behind us. Listen to that thing. Big 392. There we go. What's good, bro?
What's good with you,
What's good with you? Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Straighten that thing up.
Yes, sir. Big PAC-MAN right there. They got them all out here. Big PAC-MAN right here. Big dog Lando right here. Rims looking good. No license plate, no problem. I got you. What is that? A RAV? That a RAV4? There we go.
It's even the economy edition.
There we go.
I feel so out of place.
Hey, you're fine. What's up, dude? Everybody's here. Whatever you want is here. Clean. Big cinnamon stick. Pause. My boy Lando. Oh shit.
The guy walking across the street, I missed him.
CarLock. Doing what it do.
On the lot.
Making all that money and then you want 30 from us?
We not finna be here for
We coming up with a plan where to go.
Come on, bro.
Bro, y'all drive so young.
Hold on. Go ahead.
Guys, come on, man. Come on. I'm just trying to do a job.
Cold as shit.
Now, like I said, you got a vehicle in this lot. It's
Damn,
$30.
that's what we need to be.
Owner trying to kick us out. Well, the security, because this is a nightclub right here. This is a strip club. And so the owner sent out the security to tell us that we got to go, or we got to pay $30 a car to park here in an empty parking spot, empty parking lot. You know what I'm saying? Ain't nobody here, but yeah, we got to pay 30 a car.
30 ahead.
I got 10 toes.
There you go.
He said if you got 4 wheels, I need you to whip out 30.
30.
No, but listen though, about seconds, Tocho can't tow all of those cars.
Gorgeous.
Third.
He said he can call the
How
tow
can we
trucks.
verify that every car can pay? Because that Toyota right there gonna pull it over.
She got the GoPro on the back because she know that she's gonna be smoking you. through. Oh, we gotta go. Security kicking us out.
Hey, he talking about something. If we don't pay $30 for 4 wheels, then he gonna goddamn block the damn entrance, and we ain't gonna be able to leave. He crazy as hell. I'm gonna get the fuck out of here.
And this ain't even their parking lot. This is where everybody ain't. This is their
For $30 a fucking car?
Now listen.
Then you gotta pay to look at titties and ass in there?
Power trip in there. He ain't gonna power trip out here.
Yeah, $30 fucking dollars.
Tell
You
him chill.
crazy as fuck.
Whole city behind us.
Hey, $30 or I'm gonna tell you shit. You chill.
He said he was gonna fucking block the parking lot.
Right, yeah, exactly.
I got something you can block.
Exactly. That's what I'm saying. Like, bro.
I hope they're the best under that fucking ass.
Oh yeah. Big 392.
Oh no, he's blocking it off too.
He actually blocked it. He actually blocking it off. We gotta go. He actually blocking off the exit, so we gotta go. Kick this out again. On to another spot. Saga continues. And now we gotta find something. How about a downtown takeover? So security told us to roll. We didn't. He said he was going to call the tow truck, and then he said he was going to block us in, and then he actually started trying to block us in. But he was only using fucking rope, though. He ain't blocking that. That's a cop right there. That's a cop right there. Appreciate you. We outside today. Major takeover. Major takeover. Who that is?
Man, take too much to be.
Yep.
Want another video, knock out 360.
You know it. Taking over the city, Scats and Cats.
Man, make sure to subscribe and like this motherfucking video.
Yes, sir. And follow my man, Say Too Much.
Instagram.
Instagram. That's a red eye, not a regular Hellcat.
Big cat.
People get the fuck out the way. They scared. That's a big red eye right there, if you didn't know. I'm gonna hop in front of you. I'm trying to drive and film at the same fucking time. He done took over the whole street. He done took over the whole street.